Okay, welcome to Not Nerd. We are here doing an experiment. Mr. Dave Baylor was so skeptical when I made the pick of my week in episode 76 of the podcast. Get your pants off. No, don't get your pants off.
Okay, I was confused.
My pick of the week was the SpinChill. Now Dave was a doubter. He said there's no way this thing can work. So here we are, just a mere 2 months later, we were able to put together this experimental setup here.
I know you're thinking, how did you do it so quickly?
So quickly.
Well, we're professionals.
That's what we do.
Don't try this at home, you might hurt yourself. Yeah, it was odd to me that this device, which looks very similar to a massage device, if you get my drift, is able to cool a can of soda, beer, whatever, faster than just sticking it there. I don't understand the physics, I don't understand the process, the chemistry, but Nate is convinced it works. So we're going to try it out and we're going to let you know.
So we've got our SpinChill device.
Yeah.
Licensed brand.
Right.
I purchased the eTech City infrared thermometer. So we're going to just do some control tests here.
Okay.
We're at right about 30 degrees.
We have ice in this bucket.
Laser. And then we've got 4 cans of our Soleil lemon sparkling water naturally flavored beverage. So we are right at this room temperature, 72, right at about 72 degrees.
All right, let's try me. Try me. What am I at?
I'm going to try the ground real quick. Look, it's about 68 in the building here.
Okay.
And Dave's arm, you're right at 87 degrees.
Perfect. That's what I want to be at. 87?
I'm about a half degree warmer. That's to be expected.
That's normal. You're too hot to trot.
Yes. So what we're going to do, we're going to have we're going to have 2 control cans here.
All right.
Actually, you know what? We're not going to have. We're going to have 1 control can that'll stay at its current temperature.
Okay.
I'm going to put 1 in my pocket.
Oh boy.
We're going to put 1 in the ice just by itself.
Okay.
Buried in there pretty good. And then the next one, we are going to take, actually before we do this, we need to put on our safety equipment.
Safety first, ladies and gentlemen. That's the motto of my house, and it should be the motto of your house too. Safety first.
So it snaps on top of your can right there, very sturdy. And then it's got a nice little switch here. So what I'm going to do, Dave's got the time. I'm going to put it in, it's nice and sturdy.
Yeah, your product is not as great as you think it is.
So we're going to put that in.
All right.
And it is spinning.
How long are we going to go for here?
We're going to give it 3 minutes.
All right, 3 minutes.
Now before it's done, we're going to need our extra tool there that's sitting on top of our supply chest so that we don't tamper with the evidence afterwards. We have our temperature resistant gloves. Some people use the UV glove, we use the Pokemon.
Very good.
So you can see here it's just rattling away in there. You can kind of set it on the side if you need it to be made more sturdy. So there it's going.
So while we wait,
yes,
what is your theory as to why this makes it colder than just the standard can buried in ice?
I think we discussed that somehow it's moving the liquid so you're not just cooling from the outside, it's kind of shaking things or keeping things moving. It does not shake, however, so we will do a demonstration with that at the end to show that it does not shake.
Right.
Get shaken up for when you open it. So I think because it's constantly moving, it's hitting the ice more.
Okay.
My family, we make homemade ice cream.
Right.
And we have this homemade ice cream maker. You have the thing that spins and the big thing of ice.
Right.
And somehow that makes ice cream real quick. So I think it's something to do with that as well, where it...
So your logic is because ice cream...
Because ice cream, SpinChill.
Okay.
Genius.
I didn't need any more. I need more than that. We are at 1 minute and 30 seconds.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
So I
was looking today, there are some other options for SpinChill-like devices. There's one now where if you have a drill, you can get an attachment for the drill, so then you don't need all the motorized. These run about $25, $25 to $30 where you get them, so it's a little spendy, but hey, if that one time it chills your drink when you need it.
If you need it now, it's worth it.
Yes.
So what is the attachment that goes with the drill? What's the price on that?
I think it was about $15.
Oh, okay, you're saving a little bit of money.
Yeah, and then they have some other ones where it's actually a wholly self-contained unit. So you put the ice in this, a small bucket type thing, and put your can in, shut the thing, and then it spins it, so it's all self-contained. So that's another option. Those obviously are a little more expensive.
All right, got about 30 seconds left.
About 30 seconds. So we're spinning. We've got that one. We've got the can in my pocket.
And you may notice that we put this one in probably about 20 seconds before we put this one in.
Yes, so that we do have to acknowledge that.
Yes, and it sounds like your drill's running out of energy here a little bit.
It might be. The batteries might be a little low, but it's still spinning in there.
Still spinning. I can't wait to see. We are at 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
I'm going to put on my Pokemon gloves.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're at the 3-minute mark.
3-minute mark. So I'm going to take this one out.
Okay.
Oh, get your hands off of that.
Sorry.
This is a professional scientific experiment. We got our room temperature. We got our SpinChill.
SpinChill.
We got our just ice.
Just ice, room
temperature. And then we would hypothesize that the one in my pocket would be warmer than all of them.
I would think.
So initially what we're going to do is we're going to take our thermometer and we'll start with the pocket one.
Pocket one shows 72 degrees.
72.5 right in there.
Okay, so
then our room temperature one, our room temperature is actually a little bit warmer.
than the one in your pocket?
0.2, yeah. Apparently my pocket's nice and cool today. So here's our ice one.
Okay.
That one, we are at 60...
66.5?
Oh, it's cool. It keeps going down. 66.
Okay.
66 degrees.
All right.
And then our SpinChill. Whoa.
Wow.
40. 48. Going down. 40. Right about 47 degrees.
So almost 10 degrees cooler.
Yes, than just sitting in the ice.
All right, so...
more than that. Almost 20 degrees cooler.
I'm not a mathlete like you are.
Well, so now our next thing, first of all, the SpinChill, we haven't tapped it, we haven't done anything.
Right.
Just like normal.
But it's not fizzing everywhere.
So we're going to take that, we'll open this one, and we'll do the internal temperature, because the can, that's not going to get you very far. It's the internal, I'm shining down into... So it's a little bit warmer on the inside. We're at 54.5 degrees.
Okay.
And on this one, on the inside, we are at...
I think you're a little high there. There you go.
67 degrees.
Okay, so...
So it does get a lot cooler. Now, why don't you have the honors of doing a taste test?
All right, let's see which one tastes better. So here's these... I will start with the SpinChill.
Start with the SpinChill.
It's mighty cool and refreshing. Give that a whirl. How could you even drink this tepid, room temperature beverage?
There is a noticeable difference.
There is a noticeable difference.
So
this feels very much just like it's been sitting in the room.
Yeah, a cool room as opposed to...
This one feels like it came right out of the refrigerator.
Yeah, that is the temperature that I would prefer to drink it when it comes out of the fridge.
Yeah.
So there we see the SpinChill. I was not lying, and that's why I made it my pick of the week.
And I think what we've determined here, that it's really not science that makes this happen. It's pure magic.
Pure magic.
Pure magic.
All right in here. The SpinChill. Actually, you can look up online. I believe it does have to do with the centrifugal force. It's forcing the warmer soda out, so it keeps cooling everything in there instead of that one where it gets the metal cold and then kind of grows into the center.
It's just a faster way to cool through convection.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, not the perfect scientific experiment, but a good example of how well the SpinChill can come through on a warm summer day when you need a cool refreshment.
Well, I'm convinced, and I'm sorry I ever doubted you.
Yes.
Hugs.
Remember that. Never doubt me. With that, we're going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the podcast so you get more knowledge like we shared with you today. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, all that good stuff. We'll see you around the interwebs.